Hi, Matt Schwartz here with Lowell Manufacturing. Just taking the time to share about one of our newest and most popular items, which is a lay-in tile speaker here. This is, again, made, manufactured, bent, and manufactured assembly in St. Louis, Missouri. This is a lay-in tile speaker, fully perforated with a speaker above it. So this is designed and built to go inside of a drop tile ceiling. All one-piece construction and powder-coated white for durability. We have two versions of this. This is a fully perforated version, and then on the other side, we have our light version, and it's only partially perforated, but still, again, white powder coating for durability with a great sounding speaker above it for sound reproduction in an office, school classroom, hospital, whatever that application may be. So I just want to take time to show you those offerings in a lay-in tile speaker. Once again, my name is Matt Schwartz, and I'm the Director of Sales here at Lowell Manufacturing. Thanks for stopping in.